Hello, today we are laying the plumbing system in this construction site. This process is always being done immediately after hardcore filling in foundation and madam blinding. And as you see, this is one of the inspection chambers. And when you are constructing this, you must consider the slope of the PVC pipes because they are for drainage system in the whole plumbing system. So there are other inspection chambers. You can see them. Yes, they've been located in their various positions to allow the smooth slope or drainage of waste materials.